What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, I'm gonna be taking a good look at Bitcoin. Yeah, and this is we are heading into the weekend, and what I would need each and every one of us to understand is that Bitcoin is at the verge of going down, not breaking out to the upside. It's at the verge of going down. Now, this weekend is going to be the most important 72 hours. From now all the way to Monday is going to be the most important 72 hours because it is going to be the last pullback before we rally to the upside. And I'm not even joking right now. I'm not joking right now. It's gonna be the last pullback we're gonna get. So now, as you can see, if I should take this away, if I should take all this away from here right now, we could see something that we are actually consolidating within this range right here. We are consolidating within this range, and there is every possibility for us to also break out. But if we break out, I don't think we will be breaking up above 106. There's every possibility that we are trying as much as we can to hit this target, which is $106,000, before we drop down to $96,000. So now, with the look of things, it is very possible that we might get a move like this. But depending on, I don't think the stock markets will be opening today. I don't think so. And if they do, I've forgotten. I don't think they open today. I've forgotten. But as you can see, yesterday the stock market opened high. It pumped yesterday 0.41%, and that's quite bullish, because according to my prediction, I made it known to us that we will be getting this move right here. Once we get a confirmation can do, we're definitely running high, and that was what happened. And we ended up not seeing this move right here, this break below the downside, because if we had seen this happen, that means Bitcoin would have crashed massively yesterday. So now, starting with this particular chart, before we dive into that other one, I would say that you don't have to trade within this range, within 104,900 all the way down to 101,600. If you don't get a proper breakout, we either get a breakout to the upside, and by upside, I would say it is best for you to trade it if there is a breakout above $106,000. But trading opening a long position at 106,000 when the market hasn't even corrected, it's kind of funny, which there's every possibility of that happening. We might actually get a continuation move to the upside, but at the end of the day, we just have to say it the way it is. And in order for us to say it the way it is, I would say it is better for us to expect the worst by leaning into this move, which is we'll probably consolidate. Then over the weekend we'll drop all the way down to $96,000. So for now, I would say $96,000 is more visible, is more should I say it's more possible, or it's possible that we might get a correction to the 96,000 level before rallying to the upside. So like I said, we might not even test this range anymore, 91,000 level, 89 to 91,000 level. We might not test it, but first and foremost, we have to wait for a breakdown below the $96,000 first before we talk about dropping down to 91 to probably $89,000. Yeah. So for now, let's not worry about this right here. Let us not worry about this. Rather, we should just wait for a breakdown below this level. Either we'll get a breakdown below 101,000, or we'll get a breakout above 105 to 106,000. But I would say we should wait for a breakout above 106,000 with a retest and confirmation. Yes. Now moving into the other Bitcoin chart. moving into the other Bitcoin chart, if we come to the 1 hour time frame right here, we would see that sorry about how noisy this is. Don't worry, very soon I will get a good laptop which I'll be doing my analysis on, so just be patient with me. So now if we come to the 30 minutes time frame on Bitcoin, we would see right here that we'll see over here that BTC is actually like recovering in a way, because after we got this move to the upside all the way to $104,000, $104,400, we dropped all the way down to this area right here, which is the 103,200. Though we dropped lower than that 103,100, but we were able to retain this level right here, which is the what level is that? I think that is 0.5. That is the 50% level. And based on the way things are looking, we are actually recovering. Now, we might get a move to this side, get a little correction, and we'll continue and move to the $105,000. So today we might definitely get a move to this 105,000, or we might even get a move all the way to 106,000. But at the end of the day, we are definitely expecting a breakout from 106,000, or we'll get a breakout to the downside, which is 102 to 101,000. So we definitely need to watch out for this level. If you had to ask me if you should get into any Bitcoin trade, I would say no. It's better for you to wait for a breakout, because we could just get fake out. Yes, we could get fake out and we'll just drop all the way down, and it's going to be very, very brutal for altcoins too. So especially given the fact that altcoins have rallied. So that's all I have to say. Yeah, if you do enjoy this content, if you're coming across my content but you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends. And also, if you're a trader, you're looking for platforms to trade, links are down below. Bitgate.io and Weex. Use the links below. Sign up and start trading. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful weekend ahead. Peace out.